Anna was a young nurse from a quiet village in Eastern Europe. She had always been proud of her work, but she had a secret frustration. Her English was terrible. She could understand a few words here and there, but speaking was a nightmare. Every time she opened her mouth, the wrong words seemed to tumble out. One day, her supervisor called her into the office with exciting news. Anna, he said, there's an opportunity for you to work at one of the best hospitals in London. You're an excellent nurse, but your English needs improvement. Anna's heart sank. This was her dream job, but she felt unprepared. Thank you for considering me, she replied quietly, though inside she was panicking. That evening, Anna sat at her desk, staring at her old English textbook. How am I going to do this? She wondered. Flipping through the pages, she realized she had forgotten most of what she had learned in school. Still, Anna couldn't give up. She promised herself, I'll do whatever it takes to improve my English. And so, her journey began. Anna knew she needed a plan. She grabbed a notebook and wrote down 3 goals. Practice speaking English every day. Surround herself with English as much as possible. Be patient and learn from mistakes. Her first step was to find learning resources. She downloaded a language app that promised to teach English step by step. The app greeted her with a cheerful voice. Welcome. Let's start with some basic phrases. Anna repeated after the app. Hello, my name is Anna. The app replied, Perfect. She laughed. If only people were this encouraging, she thought. She also set aside 30 minutes daily to watch English videos. At first, she couldn't understand much. The words seemed to blend together into one long sound. But Anna reminded herself, small steps will lead to big changes. Her commitment paid off. Within a few weeks, she could understand simple conversations. The progress, though slow, gave her hope. Despite her efforts, Anna often felt frustrated. She struggled with pronunciation, especially words like thought and though. Why does English have so many silent letters? She complained to herself. At work, things were no easier. A foreign patient once asked her for directions. Excuse me, where's the pharmacy? The man said. Anna understood the question but froze. She couldn't think of the words fast enough. After an awkward pause, she pointed and said, There. That night, Anna replayed the moment in her head. Why can't I speak when I know the answer? She wondered. She realized she needed more practice with speaking under pressure. To address this, Anna began talking to herself in English at home. She described her day, commented on the weather, and even practiced ordering food. I'll get better, she promised herself. Each mistake was a learning opportunity, and Anna slowly grew more confident. Anna decided to make learning fun. She started watching her favorite movies in English, beginning with Harry Potter. At first, she used subtitles in her native language, but soon switched to English subtitles. One evening, she watched a scene where Harry said, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Anna repeated the line, laughing. Now I can cast a spell in English, she joked. She also began listening to English songs. Her favorite was Let It Go from Frozen. She sang along, even if she didn't understand every word. The cold never bothered me anyway, she belted out, feeling like a star. Another method she discovered was journaling. Every night, Anna wrote a few sentences about her day in English. For example, today was busy. I helped many patients. I felt happy but tired. These activities didn't feel like studying. They were enjoyable. And the more she practiced, the more natural English became. Anna heard about a local English-speaking club from a colleague. At first, she was hesitant. What if they laugh at my mistakes? She thought. But she pushed her fear aside and decided to join. At her first meeting, the club leader, James, welcomed her warmly. Hi, Anna. We're glad you're here. Today's topic is travel. Can you tell us about a place you'd like to visit? Anna's hands shook as she stood up. I want to visit Paris, she said slowly. It's a beautiful city. James smiled. Great. Just remember to say, it's a beautiful city. Over time, Anna grew more comfortable speaking in the club. She made friends and even began leading small discussions. The supportive environment helped her overcome her fear of making mistakes. Anna started looking forward to the meetings, knowing they were a safe space to practice and improve. 6 months into her English learning journey, Anna began noticing significant progress. These moments of breakthrough gave her a new sense of confidence and motivation. One day at the hospital, a Canadian patient approached her at the reception desk. Excuse me, he asked, can you tell me how to get to the cafeteria? Anna felt a familiar wave of nervousness, but quickly took a deep breath. This time, she didn't freeze. With a smile, she replied, yes, go straight down the hall, and it's on your left. The patient thanked her, and Anna felt a surge of pride. For the first time, she had responded to an English question effortlessly. At home that evening, Anna decided to challenge herself further. She watched an entire episode of her favorite English TV show without using subtitles. At first, she missed some words, but to her surprise, she understood most of the dialogue. I can follow the story, she exclaimed, thrilled by her improvement. Another breakthrough came during her English club's debate session. The topic was, what makes a city great? Anna shared her thoughts, saying, I think a great city is clean, safe, and has friendly people. Though her sentences were simple, her message was clear. Her clubmates applauded her effort, which boosted her confidence even more. These small victories made Anna realize how far she had come. The nervous, uncertain person who had started this journey was now someone who could communicate, connect, and even enjoy the process of learning English. For the first time, Anna truly believed that fluency was within her reach. With her English proficiency test approaching, Anna doubled down on her studies. She practiced mock tests online, focusing on speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Her biggest challenge was writing. One practice question asked, describe your favorite hobby. Anna wrote, my favorite hobby is reading books. It helped me relax and learn new things. I read books about history. When she reviewed her essay, she noticed errors. It helps me relax. I like to read books, she corrected herself. Anna also recorded herself speaking answers to practice questions. Listening to the recordings helped her identify areas for improvement. Day by day, her confidence grew. On the day of the test, Anna was nervous but prepared. During the speaking section, the examiner asked, can you describe your hometown? Anna took a deep breath and began, my hometown is small but beautiful. It has a big river and many trees. The people are friendly and always help each other. Her words flowed smoothly, and the examiner nodded in approval. When the test was over, Anna felt relieved. I've done my best, she thought. 2 weeks later, Anna received her test results. She had passed with high scores. Her supervisor congratulated her. Anna, you're ready for London. At the airport, as she waited for her flight, Anna reflected on her journey. Learning English had been difficult, but it had taught her an important lesson. Persistence and creativity can overcome any challenge. As the plane took off, Anna smiled. She was ready for the next chapter of her life.
All right.
Please answer the question. 1. Why did Anna feel frustrated about her English skills at the beginning of the story? 2. What opportunity did Anna's supervisor offer her? 3. How did Anna practice English pronunciation at home? 4. What was the first improvement Anna noticed in her English? 5. How did the English speaking club help Anna? 6. What lesson did Anna learn from her English learning journey? Please leave your answers in the comments below and see how much your listening has improved.